Welcome back to the workshop. It's Sunday morning, and today I'm going to be making some Damascus steel for the 50,000 subscriber Damascus hammer giveaway. Hammer's going to be made tomorrow. We're going to make some awesome Damascus steel today. I'm going to try some new things, and I really hope that you enjoy the process. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much for watching this video where I made this really fun piece of Damascus. This thing probably weighs right around 4 pounds, and you know what's happening tomorrow in the next episode, which if you're watching in the future you'll probably be able to see on the right. I'm going to be making a hammer out of this, and I'm going to be giving this away when I reach 50,000 subscribers, so stay tuned for tomorrow's episode. It's going to be a lot of fun. I look forward to seeing you then, and while you're here, if you would drop a comment below letting me know what you think I should call this new Damascus pattern that I had a huge amount of fun creating today. Hey, thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.